Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is May 20th. Today we have 3 interesting stories from Japan. We will cover space solar power, new luxury trains, and traditional craft restoration. Let us begin. 宇宙太陽光発電. Japan has tested a new space project. A research team sent power from space to Earth. They used wireless technology to transmit energy. This is a very big step for science. This system uses an orbital satellite. It beams energy to a ground station. Unlike solar panels on the ground, this works any time. It works even during the night or bad weather. This is very different from regular solar panels. This technology could change the global energy supply. It provides clean power 24 hours a day. The team wants to start commercial use by the 2030s. JAXA is working with private tech companies on this. It is an exciting future for renewable energy. Next topic. Shinkansen's sleeping cars. Japan is changing long-distance train travel. A rail company is launching new bullet train cabins. These carriages are designed for deep sleep. They feature advanced soundproofing and very comfortable beds. Each train car will have 10 private sleep suites. This offers more privacy than standard business class seats. The company wants to make train travel very relaxing. It should be more comfortable than flying for business people. This service begins on the Tokaido line next month. The main goal is to reduce travel fatigue. Commuters can sleep soundly during their long journeys. This makes trains a better choice than aeroplanes. It is a new standard for luxury travel. And finally, Dento Gijutsu to 3D printer. Kyoto artisans are using new technology today. They use 3D printing to restore old wooden artifacts. This helps them save important cultural history. It is a smart mix of old and new. Experts use 3D scanning to measure broken parts. Then they print replacements for the ancient structures. This method is much faster than manual repair. It is also very accurate for complex wooden designs. This project helps save sites that were once lost. Some buildings were too damaged for traditional methods. The team will finish the first temple restorations later this year. They use sustainable materials for the printing process. It is a great way to protect Japanese culture. Today, we learned about space energy, luxury trains, and 3D printing. These stories show how Japan values both tradition and innovation. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. See you next time.